poor shields against hackers, phishing scams, or malware attacks in this age is crazy. 90% of African businesses are currently rolling without any cybersecurity. So let's dive into what's happening and why it's time to secure your digital future. Welcome to Tech Gist, where you get the latest happenings in Africa's tech space. My name is Dasom George. Let's go! Peleza and Prembly comes together. Minka launches operation in Africa. South African lab at risk encounters cyber threats. First, we've got good news from the startup world. Peleza and Prembly, two rising startups in Africa, have just announced a major merger. Imagine combining Peleza's data prowess with Prembly's innovative verification solution. This power duo is set to stir up the ecosystem in Africa's tech like never before. It's about creating smarter, safer solutions for businesses and users. So keep your eyes peeled for what next they are cooking. Next up, we're talking fintech. Colombian fintech powerhouse Minka is making moves as it launches operations in East and Southern Africa. Minka is bringing seamless real-time payment platforms to our shores, and this is big for financial inclusion and tech growth in the area. We expect a huge change in how we handle payments and financial transactions, and it's all about making money moves faster and smarter. On a more serious note, now we have to talk about a recent cyber attack that's putting South African healthcare at risk. A major laboratory in South Africa has been hit by hackers and now threatening critical healthcare services. This is just a reminder that the importance of cybersecurity in our age cannot be overemphasized. Folks, you all have to stay vigilant and make sure you protect your devices and your data. That's it for today. You know the drill, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video for more content on the latest and greatest happenings in Africa's tech scene. Hit that notification bell too so you never miss a bit. Stay innovative, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Tech Gist. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.